Thì hello parlok jangan baik borok kalau pialok ya kan piasat harus kan sat ya kan ini video ke pemerintah mendera bayar pet reaction video mendera bayar pet jirai ngomong mendera bayar reaction jirai yang tenginya pet ke video jang wei kena di babak matrai lah viral bahasin kita yang ada mah kan ini video ka ada kembar kena views arlak hendrup views ada lain tayo wei matrai lah ada apa yang joki lah pet ke video kan ini video mah title ki ong dan pas tang kelas 1 kan rai dak ketien pareng batai musamla Vicky Yaki turis matai kita nak pergi jopi bai matai abun bai itu pergi bompadi iru ni nepet dah mata mah tengah aku aban ong ba rasulullah pergi ke video menen bad apet mah apet pan ora itan nak sisai ni kena ini baba karkom keren pareng karkom batai ulong kena apa selur mah haba ngipet jam itu ba ulong ba selur ukon ulong confident atau ulong ba syampang ba start haba ngipet utip ya kai ban keren ya kai ke ban keren pada kai ke bom dia ban keren utip batai tik ini gitu res ti ulong ugai akan ni ka ulong ugai dah ni apa lau kentang sama pelang mah kidon kini gitu res ki bawan kai te batai ki pangkalau kentang si tenat ba batai ki hadu bang tenat ba kini ki gitu res baru kita ya sampai ani kita sampai jai kum haskul bet buat haskul tentang batai kot kini kai ki kena kidang ya halan ya keren para kena haring ni pat gitu res habu batai ni bapa baru kita sampai kita konsentrate pada marker kom batai kalau ka basuk tenat ka clear nang hawan batai berarti komen sanil yang dangla ini bapak ban ya ki MLA jungi baru asal ya deh kata so ya hab mah nama marwa kidan kini ki MLA mah jungi kin kartukan ni mah ka bagikan pareng itu kamda clear ba kamda shai ba so thu ba ki ong yuki asenten sebagai form ro kamlong apa bet mah sampai apa ini bapak keren pat senten di bet syria kamda kata kajing kata kajing flu mah keren bet bapak bet tik ini orang pasang kelas 1 tip dalam dia orang pasang kelas 1 hari matrai Malaysia berapa ngipet di brio dia mah ba keren ben mah dia apa ngipet di brio i mikop benong ba terima keren pareng ulong ba syampang re mbok keren pan kajing tip junggu syampang kalau bentang matrai ila longkai aslan kayak ini am tip ikop ba ila long try mah matrai ila longkai aslan mah kalau ila long fluent ba tambah buat kata ru Andre materi misha ni babak tengok kau open slam dengan pet amtah
तो बोलते मम्मी हरिद्वार से लाई
and we call the Mauplang Sacred Forest. Okay guys, or in our local name we can call the Pavitra jungle. Okay, so it is a forest also now. We're standing here more than 800 years old. If we're standing here more than 800 years, we know this forest as the untouched forest. The untouched. Okay. The meaning of the untouched is mean like we can touch whatever is there in the forest, but the main one that we cannot pluck or take anything from the forest. Okay. If someone pluck or take anything from the forest, we the guy, we don't do anything. But the god of the forest will do something at the nightmare. Okay. Because in this forest also, we still believe that we still have.
Tenang badi lah om. Okay. Long ikut kinong hikai ta, long ikut long hikai, lu hikai gini, batai sepang tengah lau kentang, dah ada dah akut kesentan bang. Okay.
Have a deity in this forest. The name of that deity we call Labasa or Laibasa.
Labasa.
Yes, Labasa. Okay. And the total big of the forest is around 80 hectares. It will be made around the 192 acres like that. Okay guys? And this forest
hektar ber acre dari hektar kena jingha dari acre kena jingha unang.
has been divided into 3 sections or 3 parts. What is over there is the first section, second one, and a third one over there. First section you can call the Laktar Kang. Second one we can call the Pepandi, and the third one you can call the Lanu Kundri or the Lawadang. Inside the forest, you will see like a medicine tree, a ritual place, and you will see one of the tree what is very sacred or what is very holy for the Hindu religion. I hope all of you guys from here are Hindu?
Yes.
All of you know? Or any one of you are different religion from here? No one? Okay. So you will see one of the three, what is very spirit or what is very holy for you guys. I hope one experience inside the forest, I hope all of you will know about that.
Pwede mama, nak concentrate, nak pet lah. Tanah try lah, tanah kombatai.
Okay guys, so come, I would like to explain, I will explain you inside. Okay, so come, I'll explain some more inside the forest. But the main one inside the forest, guys, please don't make too much of noise. Keep it silent, because inside the forest is very calm and it's very peace. Okay? Yes, come.
Once everything's perfectly organized, I'll start working on my thesis.
The line? Okay, anyone else? You don't have to check which mukhi. No. No? For you guys, anyone else? No one. Okay. Fraction, which have a different kind of mukhi, a different kind of the power. The one mukhi Rudraksha we know now the most powerful Rudraksha. That one we know now as the Lord Shiva. And the one that's very cost is the one mukhi Rudraksha.
Itanat baha begini gitu resru kia senang baha, kia concentrate baha, kia cooperate baha. Itanat dalam lima.
Sometimes to buy this one mukhi Rudraksha, it's better to buy the branded card. One piece is cost 1 or the 25 flat. It's very costly, the one mukhi Rudraksha, but it's very powerful and it's very holy. Okay guys? And the two mukhi Rudraksha we call Shiva. I hope you know those two gods. For a couple one, if they want to stay a strong happy life for both of them till the day they will die, what is good with two mukhi Rudraksha. Sample this are, so this is the Rudraksha. Okay, this is the Rudraksha. This is Shiva, a Parvati. Shiva will hold for the men, Parvati will hold for the woman. A man's heart like a Shiva, woman's heart like Parvati. If for the couple one, if they want to stay a strong happy life for both of them, like the way the Shiva and the Parvati have strong happy life, they used to keep it the two mukhi Rudraksha. Maybe a husband or a wife, or maybe a boyfriend and girlfriend, they can wear it. Or if they don't like to wear, maybe they can keep in their bedroom, puja place, bag, pocket, wallet, as they like to keep it. Okay. As for the couple one, if they want to stay a strong happy life for both of them till the day they will die, always smiling in their face, they can keep it two mukhi Rudraksha. Remember. Okay guys? And the three mukhi Rudraksha, we can call the Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The three mukhi Rudraksha, like you guys who travel different places all around India, you can carry with the three mukhi Rudraksha to protect your life. Lord Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. This three gods is protect the Lord Shiva tree from the bad evil spirit. This means for you guys also, if you want to protect you from the bad evil spirit in your life, you can carry with the three mukhi Rudraksha. Okay? And the four mukhi Rudraksha. And when you are college, so a doctor, one, I can. For you?
Taking over dad's business.
Okay, I don't know for you also. Okay. So like, cool. For you?
College.
Anyone else? For you at the back?
And you kali orang pi dah he, khynnah orang pulih orang pi dah he, kuat nong you, kum tu nong hikai bet, kum teman dah kum terlalu.
Success in life is good with the four. Okay guys? And the five. This kind of pine is very rare to get in Giant Hill or Garo Hill though. It's the one of
Thì hỏi bà lọc là skip nó có tốt thì saya peci marwe ya concentrate bah ngat ada pet ya la tight pet pet ada pet kono sin so ada peni ki perlok e ro pet kena trim ha ma thì hỏi te perlok thì saya pet tu video ma an bu kan link apa description jangan thì mana nak pernah jom hi bat tip hang ini baba ma saya komen apa ka kerteng jong de no ayu snong ayu ก็มาวันนี้เนี่ยเป็นเป้านามีนี่บอกว่าน้ำมันว่า dan siya kasap habau batay ikin to da seru ipan I kajing taka pensim bau so tenakan ban hikai ban batay mendai bau shuwan kumtu ma lihat tamat pendak rakam andre udah dan di sana na po pensim ta bau kwa ban takan ban kran ban hikai ya taka kam bau lihat ma hai kena ai kajing siu di bau biang ma di kena Restam udah berusaha sabru. Tapi pernah pergi komen sana dia orang he stand there like a big qualified college lecturer. His confidence is very impressive and absolutely gorgeous. His explanation is pure and clear. Huge respect for this lovely guy. Ini lah along the I come college itu. Apa saya kau ikhna pada kini sahabat. Mana pun sahabat ngaruh. Asal asin naisin. Saya lalu batai tak sisin dong asal tu. Sudah ni kai po college lalu batai kau buat batai pun sisin. Ikhna pada asal tu. Cuma bagar kau batai cuma ada. Clear asal benar. Banyak. Dan give a comment in the comment RIP, rest in peace for those students who have graduated but still could not speak English properly. Lihat juga kita kini kena kita apa kelas apa tambah bahkan hari tempat terima kemarin ini bapak mah jadi kena kita baru ini kini kena rest in peace. Ande bang rest in peace ban yap no andre kalau ka joke kan mah mentagi por di kena sam lagi te pas pangan mah sikis ong be RIP tengok te tapon tahi pernah boleh sibon mapia pe jaga video ai ke tapti ni baba mah baba terima kasih ni dan baba pinang kiu saplang pinang trim susu pinang pau susu pinang pau nam pinang begini gitu das ki bawan pe ya kari jongiru awak ki wan sini kendo ini bapak jo ani nak jalan pai sing kendo ani terima kasih nak orang pas tang kelas 1 terima kasih bapak ai dan hari ni kendo kai bapak sorok kena bertajuk ni baru hari wah teh hoi kulish pun tak mentah baru saya syambiang naik mah